First day working at St. Joe, it was the 27th. I started on 27th of January. It should have been January 27th. I guess I knew everybody that we kind of was working together, and when I did work hard, I knew a lot of people that worked there, so it wasn't nervous. It wasn't a nervous experience. Because see, when we started with laundry, we didn't have nothing but St. Joseph. And then we had Brown Man in rehab. So that made a big change in the work that we did. Then we moved to off-site in 2000 to take on more work. I guess I worked at 28th Street. That's where St. Joseph used to be located, till they moved here in 71. And I worked in housekeeping for a year, and then I transferred to the laundry. And so far it was good. I guess I have enjoyed the years I've been. I guess it means a lot. I stayed here. I started working in 71 and had a family and had to take care of a family. My husband passed and I stayed there with St. Joseph. Had benefits and retirement. So that's mostly what it's been, benefits and retirement. I guess it's been a good place for me to work. I guess I don't have no damn fault on it. I guess I've been here 50 years, so I guess it's a good place for me. I enjoy working. I put it like that. I have enjoyed working. That's my. They want me to quit, but I guess I enjoy getting up, coming to work. So my family want me to stay home, but I enjoy getting up, coming to work. The award you receive to get Employee of the Quarter, someone had to write in and vote for you. So that's how I got someone write in, and they picked from that letter. 2. I think it's 2. I think I received 2, but I don't remember the years I've received them, but it was 2. I've been lead tech for that, over that. And I have worked with the people that I worked for about 20 to 35 years, same people. The biggest joy is working with the people that I work with and the benefits that St. Joseph carries. I guess we've been working as a family, and we stay that way. I retired and I have never left. I retired and still work. So it's nothing that I come back for, I just stay here. I've retired and never did quit. I guess I just enjoy working. Just around the people that, like I told you, around the people that work. I never just stopped working.